name is Emily Newbold. I live in Cardiff and my background is working in events, doing festivals and stadiums and those kind of jobs. I've tried doing as much networking the last year as possible. I've attended Reduction Unlocked, I've attended many Screen Skills events and trying to apply where I could really. I was able to get work experience on Ospreys and Ferries last year due to doing networking. And it's just made me more excited to join the industry as a whole, of what I've learned and working with people currently as crew. So yeah, it's just exciting. So I follow Skill Community online within LinkedIn as well as their newsletter, so I saw it on there, but I was also recommended by a producer who I know that I would be suitable, so I applied. With being interested in the logistical side of things, I'm interested in being part of the production office and department as well as maybe the AD side of things. I love getting my hands involved and just being part of like a team as a whole. Key things I'd like to learn is just how the set works and how everybody in the industry works together, as well as who does what and what's expected of each of the roles really. So where I'd like to be after the apprenticeship would be working independently and confidently in other productions that are local or a bit further out, and then being able to bring in the skills and the talents that I've learned over these years as well, quite effortlessly, and knowing that within myself I can do a job well. I would love to be able to know as well that I can work my way up in the industry, and that with that confidence I'll be able to just be given a direction I can just go for it.